Imagine your team accidentally sharing sensitive customer data across your organization. How quickly could you catch it? For many, the answer is unsettlingly long, risking trust and costly breaches. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. SharePoint's collaborative nature makes it a PII minefield. Personal data can hide in document libraries, custom lists, and even comments. Identifying these risks is crucial to maintaining compliance and trust. Microsoft Copilot uses advanced pattern recognition to identify sensitive information in SharePoint. It doesn't just scan text, it understands context, making it a powerful tool for PII protection. With Copilot, you can automate PII discovery and receive real-time protection recommendations. This AI-powered scanning ensures your data remains secure without slowing down your SharePoint performance. Microsoft Purview offers robust information protection and governance features. Implement sensitivity labels and DLP policies to automate classification and protection of sensitive content, reducing human error. Purview's automated classification of sensitive content ensures consistent protection across your SharePoint environment. This reduces the risk of data breaches and helps maintain compliance with evolving regulations. Integrate Copilot and Purview for enhanced PII protection. Create custom, sensitive information types and automated scanning schedules to ensure your data remains secure and compliant. Establish access controls, permissions, and incident response protocols for PII breaches. By doing so, you'll protect your organization and maintain trust with your stakeholders.